right, we're back to Lexicon Labs in the Manus loading page, where we are going to again check on what they have in their playbook and try to improve upon it. So last time, if you watched the last video, you should know that I upgraded their Google Chrome extension that they have as a sample. And what we're going to do today is try to improve another one of their features. They have market research tool, PDF translator, Susur Bogoso, AI website builder, business canvas maker. There's the Chrome extension builder. That's what we upgraded last time. AI resume builder. So let's find something that's simple that we can probably improve using Manus. So let's do market research tool. So they have Singapore's outdoor activity market and Europe's digital mysticism market unveiled. Let's take a look at this one and see if we can improve it for our own use. So it has a prompt: analyze the outdoor activity market in Singapore using the most suitable business analysis framework. Apply the chosen model thoroughly by completing all sections with realistic insights and informed assumptions. Present the analysis as a professionally designed interactive web page that figures clear layouts, visual elements such as charts and icons, and responsive design. The final web page should be public, permanent, and ready for use in real-world contexts such as pitching, education, or strategic planning. All right, I'm going to come back with a expanded prompt that should give us the same outcome. But let's before we do that, let's take a look at what it gave the original user. It gave them a Manus hosted website. Okay, that's pretty useful, with charts and graphs, assuming with React. Oh wow, animations are beautiful. All right, this one might be hard to outdo, but we're gonna try anyway. So what other things were offered? Let's download the entire thing. I'm gonna send this over to ChatGPT for figuring out a way to prompt something to produce something that's even better. I'll be right back. All right, so ChatGPT gave me an improved prompt to improve what they've done. So it says, build a professionally designed interactive single-page React app that analyzes the YouTube AI education industry, use the same design quality and structure, deliver a polished, permanent, real-world ready interactive market analysis that I can use as a YouTube video demo and investor or collaboration pitches as an educational microsite for other creators. So it's using the same framework, it's using the same research, and we're going to just copy and paste that prompt and the sample files into Manus, and hopefully it will give us our own version of what it gave the Singapore outdoor activities market analysis. Let's give it a go. All right, I want to show you what Manus's computer is doing. It's pulling up all the research and reading the research about CPM. It's going into CPM and RPM rates, average niches and countries, and more. So unlike when you ask like ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini about research, this is actually showing you the research that it's doing. So it's a little bit more similar to ChatGPT's agent mode, but we're going to see mostly what the output is in just a moment. All right, it gave me a functioning website that on Manus you can click publish and then you can visit. So it's called the Market Intelligence Report, the AI Education Gold Rush on YouTube, Lexicon Labs Market Analysis. You can click download executive summary. You can click explore analysis. It says that the YouTube AI education market sits at the convergence of multiple high growth sectors, 500,000 to 2 million AI search volume, 50 million audience size, $6 to $26 RPM range, and big markets in US, India, Korea, and the Philippines. So it shows 2.1 billion all the way up to 9.8 billion. So it's a growing market. Viewer intent is tutorial, inspiration, or entertainment. Creators use AI tools. Revenue streams are available. That's interesting. Okay, it actually found me, my channel that I started 3 days ago. I don't know why it put me there. In terms of quality, I suppose, but not in terms of subscribers. That's interesting. So I guess I'm doing things right according to this. The Porter's 5 Forces analysis says that there's a high threat of new entrants. So if you're a YouTuber trying to break into this niche, check that out. Supplier power, many alternatives, buyer power, and the other very high is industry rivalry. There's already 10 plus established channels with constant content pressure. So it's a very intense market. Luckily, I'm not in it for the money. I'm just having fun. So that's interesting. The PESTEL analysis. Okay. Economic 4 out of 5. Social 4.5. Environmental. And the economics dashboard. Wow, you can calculate. Oh, it's a revenue calculator. So let's see. I've got like 100 views in the last day. So let's go really low on this. All right, as low as possible is 50,000 views at an RPM that's in the middle of the range. Let's lower the watch time quite a bit and lower the click-through rate and lower the email conversion to 0. That's still too much. I don't believe that. Watch time lower, click-through rate lower. AdSense revenue, affiliate revenue, course revenue, that's why. That's static. So if I had a YouTube course, then I'd be seeing 194,000. So we really need to take off 14,000 because I'm not going to start a course. So we're talking about $1,400 a month, which is still pretty good if you want to use that. So the current state says, oh, that's calculated from there. All right, monthly revenue $1,200, $1,440, 3 times upside. Okay, this is beautiful. Like this, and the animations are there. Gumroad products, it gives different ways to approach this. I'm definitely going to be analyzing this. And then at the end it says download full report, which I've downloaded 3 times. And that's just the same details that are visualized here. All in all, I think I can confidently say that Manus produced something that looks pretty good. I would say that this outperforms the sample on its dashboard. It's pretty visually solid. It does look a little bit AI generated, but the framework integration with PESTEL and competitive summaries is really on point. The color palette is interesting. I like the purple, but that's an AI tell to me. I checked it on my phone. The mobile functionality works just fine, and it feels definitely pitch ready, not exactly like a student project or anything. It's definitely professional. So I'd say that if the question is, can we improve upon what Manus put in their samples, I'm not sure if we've improved, but we've definitely at least matched it. So we're going to hit Manus with a secondary prompt. All right, the secondary prompt is basically just asking you to enhance the project on the hosted website. We're not asking you to do any more research and to keep the current visuals, but add more interactive elements and competitive map, scroll triggered transitions, tabbed insights, and open simulator buttons with a live stats bar. So let's see what that comes up with. And if you've watched my channel before, you know that this prompt came from ChatGPT. So I strongly believe in two things in first in cross LLM pollinating, so like spreading, having prompts go from LLM to LLM, and second is iteration. So you don't just prompt once and then call it quits, you keep on going. So we're going to give this a few minutes. It's 6:15, and we're going to see how long it takes for it to come up with the second iteration of the AI Education Gold Rush on YouTube Market Intelligence Report. All right, the secondary prompt was delivered, and just in case you didn't notice on the first time around, I don't think I did it, you can click publish, and it will host your website on a URL in manus.space. Wow, we've opened the simulator. Okay. So, wow, courses are a huge part of that. I guess that's a big thing that people do, but let's bring everything down to the bottom because I'm not expecting much. Well, if you take out courses, that's $1,300 a month, which is pretty impressive, to be fair, and I'm not sure if I believe it, but it shows, okay, it definitely changed the visualization there. The visualization is awesome. It's just beautiful. The animations, they all pop up. I wish there was a way to change courses. Let's go all the way down to the minimum. All right, we're at $1,300 a month, assuming some affiliate revenue. All right, like this is just beautiful. This is just lovely. And if you're a YouTuber and you're watching this, go for it, man. This is fantastic. See what you can build with Manus. And if you like this, like and subscribe for more build videos.